FKN Textile, in collaboration with DEWMAK Energy, is leading the way towards a sustainable future with one of the largest solar initiatives in the textile sector. With a strong commitment to reduce carbon emissions and optimize energy efficiency, they have implemented a 1.2 megawatt solar power project. The system generates over 1.75 million units of clean electricity every year, powering the operations with reliable, renewable energy. The impact is significant for FKN Textile. This translates into annual electricity cost savings of more than 73.58 million rupees, a step that strengthens both business growth and resilience against the rising energy costs. For the environment, the results are equally powerful. By reducing the reliance on conventional energy, this project cuts down 1,051 tons of carbon emissions annually. That is the same as planting 47,782 trees every single year, a massive contribution to cleaner air and a healthier planet. This collaboration between FKN Textile and DEWMAK Energy proves that industrial excellence and environmental responsibility can move forward together. It is not just a solar project, it is a vision of progress, sustainability, and responsibility for generations to come. FKN Textile and DEWMAK Energy, powering industry, protecting nature, and creating a brighter tomorrow.